Hi, this is Wen Shu. This one I still sharing with you about the spring. Few more different illness were coming out. The first one is about the pink eye. Pink eye is like your eyes is look at all pink, and a lot of people it will relate to the allergy, but it's very uncomfortable and very difficulty when to deal with it. And yes, acupuncture can help, but actually if you can prepare storage something to helping yourself, it's very easy. The pink eyes usually come from the two seasons. One is on the spring, one is on the fall. So, and the major ingredient still from your backyard dandelion. Dandelion is the flower yellow, and if you don't have a pink eye, my suggestion is still pick up some of the yellow flower when it's still yellow. Pick up and put in the plug bag and storage in the freezer. And when the pink eye happen on you or on your family, on your friend, you can always use it. My way is to put it in the smash it and become a paste, but you don't need to make it very, very fine, just like it's able to compound together and put it on. Just apply on your eyes. Okay, for how long? When you feel like it's already not cool enough, it's already usually about 10-20 minutes, or you can change another one, or you just continuing. Usually about in 3 days, not more than 3 days, the pink eyes will be all gone. It's amazing recipe, and it's free. It's so easy to prepare. So don't wait till you already have a pink eyes to use to pick the yellow flower, because the dandelion is a very short season. So when you see it, pick up a few bags, and you are using it for you and for your family. If your place, you grow, you are now don't have a dandelion, another theory you can use is the black tea. Okay, not green tea, not red tea. Use the black tea. The black tea bag soak in the hot water for about 5 minutes. And just slowly squeeze it with still have moisture, and then put it on your eyes and for a few times in a day. And usually it can go away. You're much easier and much more comfortable, much easier to go away also. But I found the result that dandelion is still the one of the best to use. Next one we are talking about is about the people have an issue because the weather are so comfortable, and all people will love to open the window to dry, to go out with a beautiful cold cool clothes, or open the window open to allow the air to exchange in your house. And we see, and when the door open, and when you wake up, I couldn't move. I had to move like this way, and your neck cannot move anymore. And this kind of a problem, we can easy to treat by ourselves. Of course, you see, acupuncture can help a lot. But if you do by yourself, before you see your local acupuncturist, you will helping it even quicker and release a lot of tension, and take most probably can help your neck and easy to move again. So we have two major places to touching. One of the place is on the hand. On the hand part, my experience is usually on the same side. If you this side of the neck have a problem, then you usually on the same side of the arm, the fingers. If you this side, then you do this side. But really have a few people I found this side it happen reflection points among this side. So you have to touching yourself. If you both side all hurt, then you do both sides. One side if hurting more, then you do a bit more. So it's on the second and third finger. Go down, go to the end here. And you will feel that It's not okay toward to this side or this side. No, it's just on the between. You can feel some sensation and some tenderness or painful when your neck, even you feel it's not like a connected this way. You just feel like a stiff on your neck. You can always press on this point and just massage. And some people even can feel okay all the way go to here, but most is on here and go this way the direction. Okay, to do pressure, pressure. Okay, pressure. And when you do a few times and the place you feel hurting, you can massage it, but very hard we massage it ourselves. This is the first 1 point we able to doing for yourself. How long? When your finger so you take a break and then continue later on when you want to make sure it quicker. And we have another point. It will be on the toes. On the toes will be on this way. The toes. So it's under the toes, okay, but it's more on here, this point. Okay, so you go use the finger to pressure it toward to the bone. Some people you already even feel whole thing, this whole area already hurting a lot. Then you can do all the way. But I found here, when people have this suddenly neck and turn this issue, usually it's on this area, have a little the sand feeling or like a sesame seed big of the peak. It's very, very painful. You just massage. And this is a very good. And by the way, you can give yourself a little bit massage on this point, okay, on this place, okay. But major is this point. So on the toes, which one foot of toes you should massage? Big toes. Usually it's the right side of the neck will be found the pinpoint on the left toes. If this side, there will be another side, the opposite side. But my suggestion usually when you this side with tension, a lot of part this side is already have something going on here. You should able to find both sides have some sensation, but one of the thumb. The big toes are be more sensitive, and that is the great way to helping you to release this pressure point, and for the neck pain. And of course, one of another theory to do the cupping is one of a good way beside all those theory. Of course, when we do the cupping, if we put it together with massage, it can helping you even resolve much quicker. As we know, the spring is the best season to improve our liver, our gallbladder function, to helping taking care of these two functions. So I want to share with you how to improve the liver and gallbladder function, especially now everybody is so stressed, so busy, so hurry. So more or less a lot of depression, anxiety, or anger going on. So with this spring, take care, and then if you're able to allow your liver and gallbladder can have a better nutrition and better detox, then you're able to have a great whole year of a healthy system for you. On the foot inside and this leg of outside, it relate to is one is yin and yang of gallbladder and liver. So the way we use your hand to do all the way to your foot. Especially on the side, huh? And then you do the both sides. few minutes a day, and you should feel your finger getting twinkling or feel cool, and your foot, it might have some twinkling and cooling feeling, and that's the detox, and that's the body is a circulation. And if you, after you hit, you feel hot, actually, you probably, if the finger feel hot, it probably you didn't do the right way. I prefer you use the whole hand instead of use the arm. But if you're difficult, you're still working. But when you use the hand, it can helping all the toxin able to release. And that is the great way of taking care of your indigestion system, liver, and gallbladder. And one more, the lesson on this video, one more to remind you, the best thing for the spring, improve our system is to sleep. 10, 11 o'clock, not more than 11 o'clock, you should have a good sleep. If you couldn't fall asleep, even you just close your eyes, meditation, or just thinking of nothing, as long as you allow your eyes able to close, and it's the one way of your nutrition, your the liver, and allow your liver able to function better. Sleeping is very good. And some of the patient was remind me in Canada, we are so lucky we have a maple syrup. It's not maple syrup, it's maple syrup. It's very, very good for our spring nutrition also. Thank you. See you later.